Hi, I'm Manny, and today I'm presenting TRENDnet's first-to-market 450 megabits per second dual-band wireless N USB adapter, model TEW-684UB. This is the first USB adapter that connects a laptop or desktop computer to an ultra-high-performance 450 megabits per second wireless network. If you have or are about to buy a 450 megabits per second router, remember that your computer's adapter needs to be 450 megabits per second as well. If your laptop's existing wireless card is only rated at 150 megabits per second, as most are, your connection speed to a 450 megabits per second router will be bottlenecked at 150 megabits per second. This adapter connects a 2.4 gigahertz or a 5 gigahertz wireless network at the touch of a button with the convenience of a one-touch Wi-Fi protected setup, or WPS. Place adapter in the most ergonomic location with the included USB extension cable. WMM Quality of Service, or QoS technology, prioritizes gaming, internet calls, and video streams. LEDs on the front of the adapter convey device status. Upgrade your computer's wireless connection and experience the speed of a 450 megabits per second network with TRENDnet's 450 megabits per second dual-band wireless N USB adapter, model TEW-684UB.